Blender versus Cinema 4D. Welcome to the digital canvas where imagination takes form, a universe built from polygons and light. In this vast creative space, two titans stand tall, offering different paths to artistic mastery: Blender and Cinema 4D. Choosing your primary tool is like an animator selecting their most trusted brush. It defines the workflow and shapes the final creation. This decision is a foundational step for every aspiring 3D artist navigating the landscape of modern design. We are here to explore the unique philosophies behind these powerful platforms, helping you find the software that best resonates with your creative soul and technical ambitions. From this crossroads, our journey first leads us to the world of Blender, a testament to the power of community and open-source innovation. It is a versatile digital workshop, given freely to every artist, from the curious beginner to the seasoned professional. Think of it as a universal key, capable of unlocking doors to modeling, sculpting, animation, and even video editing, all within one expansive ecosystem. Our animator character embraces this environment like a resourceful explorer, equipped with a tool that can adapt to any challenge the creative wilderness presents. Its strength lies not in a single specialty, but in its boundless, ever-evolving potential for any project imaginable. Now we transition to the polished and refined corridors of Cinema 4D, a software celebrated for its intuitive design and industry-proven stability. This is the domain of precision and efficiency, particularly favored by motion graphics artists and visualization experts who demand a seamless workflow. Cinema 4D feels less like a workshop and more like a high-tech laboratory, where every tool is perfectly calibrated for a specific professional task. Our animator character moves through this space like a surgeon, appreciating the logical layout and the immediate, predictable results of their actions. It represents a structured approach to creativity, where speed and user-friendliness are held in the highest regard. The first true test of a creative partnership is the conversation you have with the software's interface. Blender offers a deeply customizable dialogue. You can arrange every panel and shortcut to build a workspace that is uniquely yours, though it can feel overwhelming initially. In contrast, Cinema 4D greets you with a clear, logical conversation, where tools are exactly where you expect them to be, fostering a gentle learning curve. Our animator character is depicted at a crossroads of interfaces, one a complex web of possibilities and the other a clean, direct pathway. This choice between ultimate control and immediate clarity is a defining difference between these two creative environments. Let's put our hands on the digital clay and explore the act of creation itself, starting with modeling. Blender excels with its robust sculpting toolset, feeling like an artist's studio where you can freely push, pull, and carve complex organic forms with intuitive grace. It's a very tactile and direct method of bringing characters and creatures to life from a simple sphere. On the other hand, Cinema 4D shines with its procedural and parametric modeling, a more architectural approach using generators and deformers. Our animator character becomes both a sculptor and an engineer, molding raw digital matter in one world while assembling intricate systems in the other. A model is just a blueprint until it is brought to life with light and shadow through rendering. Blender offers two powerful built-in engines: Cycles for breathtaking photorealism that meticulously calculates light, and Eevee for stunning real-time results that prioritize speed. This gives the artist a spectrum of options, from patient realism to instant feedback. Cinema 4D is renowned for its seamless integration with third-party engines like Redshift, the industry standard for fast, production-quality GPU rendering. Here, our animator acts as a digital photographer, choosing between a versatile built-in camera system and a specialized, high-performance lens to capture their final image. Every great journey begins with a single step, and the learning curve of your chosen software determines the nature of that path. Blender's path can be compared to climbing a steep, rugged mountain. The ascent is challenging and requires dedication, but the summit offers an unparalleled, panoramic view of its vast capabilities. Conversely, Cinema 4D provides a gentler, more guided trail with a clear, steady incline, making the initial steps into the 3D world feel less intimidating. Our animator character is shown facing these two allegorical mountains, contemplating whether to embrace the rigorous climb or the guided ascent towards creative proficiency and success. Beyond features and workflow, the practical consideration of cost is a significant factor in any artist's decision. Blender stands as a powerful symbol of accessibility, a completely free and open-source tool that democratizes 3D creation for everyone, regardless of their financial situation. This removes any barrier to entry, inviting a global community to learn and create without compromise. Cinema 4D, in contrast, represents a professional investment, with its subscription cost reflecting its dedicated support and curated toolset. Our animator character weighs a glowing, free orb of light against a polished, expensive crystal, a metaphor for this fundamental choice. After comparing interfaces, features, learning curves, and costs, we arrive at the central truth. There is no single best software. The question is not which program is superior, but which program is the superior partner for your unique creative journey. Blender is the versatile powerhouse, ideal for the generalist or anyone who values ultimate customization and zero cost. Cinema 4D is the streamlined specialist, perfect for motion graphics professionals and those who prioritize speed and an intuitive workflow. Like a painter choosing their medium, the animator must select the tool that feels most natural in their hand to paint their masterpiece. Ultimately, the debate between Blender and Cinema 4D is not a competition, but an invitation to explore. The best way to find your creative companion is to experiment with both, to feel their unique rhythms and discover which one amplifies your personal style. The tools themselves are merely vessels for your imagination. The true magic resides within you, the artist. We encourage you to download, to learn, and to create without fear, because your next great work is not waiting inside a piece of software, but inside your own mind. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. And now, go bring your incredible ideas to life.